For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Carling Knockout Cup midweek fixture, Orlando Stadium. Orlando Pirates is better like a Makis 2-1. We last 8. Yeah, Letumende. Orlando Pirates were knocked out in the last 16 last season. Magesi defending champions Letumende. Baya kwi-final bafika benza umhlola benza into engaqhelekanga ukuthi a small team that is fighting for a relegation last season bayowina i-cup also last season. Remember Nedbank Cup, similar thing happened also. What happened last season? There's also another thing that happened last season. Tottenham Hotspur, did they not win a trophy last season? Tottenham Hotspur, they also won a trophy last season. I remember beating Manchester United. A lot of strange things happened last season. Pyramids making their second appearance with CAF Champions League, going on to win it. A lot of strange things happened last season, Mhlobam.
Ufake twice London nje. Sithi zama ukukhohlwa.
No, but dibayela ezininzi Mhlobam nje ukuthi ezenzekile.
Mara sizama ukukhohlwa lokhu yakubhizi nje. Maye
ya vakuthiwa
bakhuluma ngequde ngale.
Ya vakuthiwa ngelupopo ngapha.
Bakhuluma ngemkuku. Angisho uma bathi khuluma ngemkuku bakhuluma ngequde ngeSpain. Mina ngithanda uma ugcoke kanje shini. Yabona uma ugcoke kanje. Ngiyakuthanda shini.
Umadlala ibhakani yangiqoqwa kanje nje mfowethu.
Ngiyathanda uma ugcoke kanje shini. Ngithanda nale smile shini. Uyakwazi ukuthoba amanxebe yabona. Shini ithi waste isikhathi man ngibulisa amachita le studio Brian.
Obsi. Ugrand mfowethu.
Ngigrand 100.
Otherwise umdlalo namhlanje besibule sobabili ubone njalo umdlalo.
Yeah. Ngiyacabanga shini ukuthi iPirates bedlala kakhulu shini be dominate konke lama department ebekuwo iOrlando Pirates. Uma ungabuka ku defense eOrlando Pirates la khona ubona iMagezi attack iPirates is because of be relaxed i-defense eOrlando Pirates. Bekungana lutho loku ngithi iMagezi ifuna ukubuza iPirates imibuzo. The center back iPirates mawungabheka lama chances iMagezi watholile is because of bebangekho busy. Abantu beba busy abadlala abafana noNdaba no Lilitho. I think they played very well iOrlando Pirates. Give credit to the technical team iOrlando Pirates, Coach Wadu and nabadlali beOrlando Pirates shini. So into engizama ukuyisho ukuthi be deserve ukuwina iPirates le game. Be deserve ukuwina. Ngibongise nale technical team ePirates ukuthi ikwazi ukurotate leya team
squad. Yeah.
Ukurotate isquad shini uphinde uthola ama results into ebaleka kakhulu. Kuyakutshela ukuthi unayo depth, unayo quality. Even though sibona boMagesi kungasi ama team engathi mhlawumbe ba strong ngalendlela, but to rotate abadlali bakunikeza ama results ngibona kuyinto right chain. So give credit to a technical team yeOrlando Pirates. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi be deserve ukuthi iqualify yodlala ama semi final yale Carling chain.
And your point Wanabobo is backed up by the fact that last season Orlando Pirates in the last 16 they made a couple of changes like Game and Makis where they lost. Made a couple of changes. Remember the likes of Rasebo who started. There were a lot of changes in that game. Nalapo Imakis ya capitalize akona akona 3 goals. But namhlanje there were not so many because if I remember well namhlanje Undaba left back. Danson started. Umbutuma started. He started his first game for Orlando Pirates, meaning that there is a bit of a difference between Orlando Pirates this season as Bausi Chuguti equality net depth banayo this season.
Banayo kakhulu shane and ngiyacabanga ukuthi no coach Ncikazi ikhona indima idlalayo ano coach Wadu uma ungabheka into yenza ngakhona. Cishe le Orlando Pirates le ledlale namhlanje uma ungayibheka iyabuyela kule Orlando Pirates liyabe siyazi shane la khona uma ngabe sibona umdlali ofana no Saleng angekho kuOrlando Pirates bebanganalo iwinger before uNkotha azofika kuOrlando Pirates bebadlala banganalo iRight winger iOrlando Pirates besebenzisa iRight back ukusebenzisa ukufunctiona kulela side abolibitso before athola injury bokumdlali obeka excela kakhulu kuleya position. Namhlanje ngiyabona iOrlando Pirates always basebenzisa uApolis uyabuya ungena ngaphakathi la khona umdlalo ofana nomremi uyaya wide uyabuya ngaphakathi but uyamnikeza uNdaba ispace ukuthi okay akahamba ayosebenzisa lela side. Ngithanda umdlalo ofana noNemtatshela the way yenza udlala ama-position amaningi esikhathi esi-1 uma ungabheka uyabuya drop uzocollector uyasuka sometimes uyadlala phambi kwakaDenson uyabuya uyadlala nangapha kuwinga so kusho kona ukuthi uma une-midfield efana nabo Nemtatshela une-midfield ehlakaniphe kakhulu Shane ukunikeza something offensive uma ungambheka lo yamdlali so ngiyacabanga ukuthi le technical team Orlando Pirates iyakwazi ukurida lama game the way idlalisa lama cheat ngakhona so siyambona noMbuduma unfortunately uMbuduma ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyamnikezwa uChipezeze lamabhola kumele awasave uChipezeze
I was going there
placer lamabhola awasave because uma umnika direct sometimes you understand so ngiyacabanga ukuthi kunamanye amabhola njengalele header uyalibona ukuthi bekuyichance leya sometimes ungamane ulishaye wide or ushaya laphansi you understand because yena uzomove nebhola so but ngiyacabanga ukuthi the more azoqhubeka adlala uzo gain confidence uzothola amagoli ukhumbule ngitshela yena last ngithi uma uyi-striker ungakori uzoyiluza i-confidence chain so but uzolithola igoli uMbuduma ngiyacabanga ukuthi uzoyenza kahle kakhulu ngiyithanda the way Orlando Pirates ize ngalabafana abancane ngakhona today lokho angeke ngufihle Shane kwamanye ama teams siyajabula ukuthi ngathi ama game afana nalawo just give those young stars because anyone can play game emagesi kule squad onaso Orlando Pirates nawo amanye ama team ungadlala noma ngabe ngumuphi umdlali mhlawumbe nomdlalo obiya ku DTC ungafika umdlalise uma dlala nabo magesi you understand so ngiyacabanga ukuthi njengoba ngisho Shane Orlando Pirates they deserve le win
Ndifuna kangaye again uNemtatshela because namhlanje ucoach Hugo Broos announced i-Premier League squad esawudlala la friendly against Zambia I think on the 14th of November uNemtatshela is there so now ndifuna uza kule ndawo yakho about yena uNemtatshela this season he came in at Orlando Pirates there were a lot of players who were signed also there are players like Abo Dlamini who are finding it hard with badlala ku-Pirates this season also Tito naye is playing but there were moments there were games I mean this season apho bengadlali khona uNemtatshela this season uzoba important kangakanani na for Orlando Pirates
impendulo uzoyithola ngokuthi uNemtatshela uhlalisa bobani ebenchini lapho uzoyithola i-answer Shane kune quality ehleli manje ebenchini ngenxa yoNemtatshela so kusho kona ukuthi ungenhla lo mfana Shane angifuni ukutshela manga uphezulu kakhulu the way aqhamuka ngakhona ngiyacabanga ukuthi ku-AFCON uma angachubeka adlala kanje angahlabe khona kuleya team because uya deserve Shane week in week out sidinga umdlalo consistent hayi umdlalo mhlambe ozofana neweather namhlanje uyabanda kusasa uyashisa you understand but the way yena ngibona aqhamuka ngakhona uNemtatshela Shane ukunikeza into eziningi uyakwazi ukudefenda uyakwazi ukattacker so ngiyacabanga umadala umbhekile njengoba mbizile kanje umbhekile ngiyacabanga ukuthi uzoba khona Shane definitely sure uma angachubeka nje ama injuries angamhluphi uNemtatshela ngiyazi uma sengikhuluma ngoNemtatshela ngikhuluma ngentwana yaseSoweto uLindo masazi ukutshela ngentwana yaseSoweto uzobakutshela ukuthi bona awuthami thina Soweto
yaba la kusha ama plate kulaqala
yeah no it's good Brian angifuna ukufihlela ubuya from kuMaromo Gallants adlala kahle kakhulu so ngiyacabanga Shane njengoba sisho sithi uyayideserve leya collab Shane kubafana bafana
Bobzi ndifuna now sit drift kancinci away from lo mdlalo over the weekend besibukele Sundowns playing against Remo Stars namhlanje sibukela Orlando Pirates against Magesi these teams are playing on Saturday Orlando Pirates are third on the log Sundowns are first on the log ngumdlalo esinolindela ngamehla bomvu but siyazi game sometimes you might expect a blockbuster of a game only to find maybe a 1-1 or a 0-0 but it promises ukuthi mhlawumbe angakhona amagoli not even mhlawumbe azaba khona amagoli kumdlalo ngomgqibelo from what you've seen from the Sundowns over the weekend nalibonele namhlanje ku Orlando Pirates ikunike idea njani ngematch masilindele over the weekend
ama A game Shane ayohlala ngama A game ama previous matches sometimes angakubhayizisa because uma kuyodlala iPirates neMamelodi Sundowns ukhumbule ukuthi ama preparation Shane from day one ungabheka iPirates kunabadlali bekade bangadlali today abanye bazile bomahupha ngamasapho ukuthi at least ba refresh Sundowns restile mhlambe boma 7 days bangadlali so nako lokho ulindele igame enhle kakhulu Shane because this is a game mina angifuni ukujudge ngeprevious matches kulama game afana nalawo because angakukhohlisa yes ungacabanga ukuthi mhlambe ngoba iSundowns ibuya kuleya game ngalama win enawo iOrlando Pirates nayo ibiya namhlanje kuleya win but ngibheka igame ezoba mnandi kakhulu Shane because ukukhumbule ukuthi lapha ku league kuyabanga Shane between ama team afana nabo Sundowns no Orlando Pirates. So ngilindele igame enhle kakhulu. Abo Sikhukhune singababala Shane ngitshele ngithi ba safe for top 8. Akusima team ukuthi Sikhukhune ngathatha league. Lokho ngisakusho namanje. I don't think Sikhukhune ingadlala because iOrlando Pirates neMamelodi Sundowns babuya kude Shane and ungabheka baya compete kuma competition amaningi. Babuya kuma game serious afana nabo CAF. Njenga namhlanje ngifuna ukungena kancane lapho kule team efana neMagesi. I team efana neMagesi before ngena kule play yayo Shane. Ngiyabona ukuthi uJusto usilindile manje. Izamile ugqoka ijezi eyellow njengabo Lipopo mhlambe bazama ukukuthusela. Mina le jezi engiyigqoka eyellow weekend ngizaba ngigqoka ijezi eyellow. Ngiyayibona izamile namhlanje bazama ukukuthusela Shane. Ngale jezi yabo bacaba ukuthi mhlambe kuzaba nabo umkuku ayisebenzi kanjalo. iPirates they mean business kula magame afana nalawo. So Shane ucoach weMagesi I don't think ukuthi naye bekacabanga ukuthi angathola igoli. The way bengibona okay uchitile la chita khona. But uma ungabheka beyanga nasi striker. That's why ngithi abombokazi bebazilalela bebakhona nokuthi basondele la. Bayidlale leyo highlight because beyangathuseli Shane ukuthi mhlawumbe bonisa ukuthi ufuna ukuzoscore iOrlando Pirates. Sibona udrop abashirambandari, udrop abadlala abafana nabomsadi, ubuye bazomaka, udrop abadlala abafana nabosibanyoni, babuye bazomaka. Those are taking players. Just give them. It's a cup game Shane. No bangakusha 5. I don't think uzobuluzile because the cup game uyaphuma namhlanje. Bonisa na ukuthi ufuna unga defender yes. Yabona bomkoni ba defend. But going forward, beka le out le edlala ku left back. Umkoni letholi yellow card. Always ushambandaro kumele abuye azo assist. Uma bawini ibhola benzani? Kunzima ukuthi bayofika. Darusa bafuna kushaya basekudeni. And bafuna barulaya kuma long ball, bafuna kurulaya na kuma areas ball. Maningi amabhola bawinile kuma aerial but second ball abakhona ukuyiwina. Why? Because of kunama gap badlala ngama department. So bekunzima for bona ukuthi bangalqona naregola balqorile ubonile ukuthi poor defense ku Orlando Pirates and net defense yabo futhi Magesi bafuna ukudlala zonal marking inside the box. You can't play zonal marking inside the box because if you give uMakhupa a meter uzothena ashayinet ilento yenzeke nakubani nakulibitso ufuna ukunikeza uShirambadari ukuthi athene umnikeza imeters mnamathele Shane angayithola ichance yokuthena. So Shane sibonile beninama defender amaningi benidefender nga6 naba defender nga6 including amapali labe wakhona ashayiwe amapali today coach wena Shane ashayiwe kakhulu ngicabanga ukuthi mhlamba ashayiwa so nawe ngoba uyazi ukuthi umcudu uzile azolanda leqanda leli belikhona. So asazi Shane sizawubona Saturday mnganami.
Wow, okay. Yeah, it's a blockbuster for fixture over the weekend. Bobo lethetha ngayo. But sawuthanda ngayo on Saturday. Namhlanje besana ngeCarling Knockout Cup. There's a game on Friday where Kaizer Chiefs they are going to Durban to play against Durban City 7:30. Then on Saturday at 3:30 Loftus Stadium. Umdlalo ubuse Loftus wasiwa eLucas Moripe Stadium. Baphinda kwathiwa no masibaseni ngapha yaphindela back eLoftus Stadium. So lo mdlalo uzaqhubeka ke eLoftus Stadium in case kwabo begqibele kuthiwa yodlala eLucas Moripe. No, ayikho seLucas Moripe. It's eLoftus Stadium ngo 3:30. But ke amatikiti bephumile namhlanje. Obobo uyawudinga ukuthi abaphandla ngichazele ukuthi ulifumene nini iticket lakhe. Lala mdlalo wangomgqibelo because uphume namhlanje asazi ukuthi mhlambi ifoundation yenze what they did last season aphume kuthiwe okay
Ngele khona Shane ngiliphanje ngo8
kuthiwe wafake kanje no uthi uphanje ngo8
Ngele khona mina namhlanje
uzanikela imitikiti ngizalijonga ixesha bali liphumene nedate liphumene la tickets ngizalifumana evidence bakubomzini. But namhlanje ke kwiCarling Knockout Cup Orlando Pirates 2 Magesi 1. Thank you so much for watching Diski TV.
Thank you.
Sharp kunjani bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Diski TV. Danko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.